Hi again. I'm sorry we didn't record the video very well, so we have to start again. So look at this box. Open it. Look at it. It's cooked. So yummy. I wonder what we're cooking today.
Risotto.
It's so exciting. I hope we're gonna eat everything. What do we need to do? Go. Let's do it right now. Come on, let's chop the celery up very quickly.
Spring onions.
Maybe it's more bitter chopping up spring onions. Put it in there on the other side. Then maybe you keep cutting. It's more better cutting it on the other side, you know. So we just keep going. Then now it's time for tomatoes. We cut the tomatoes up, so juicy, and some was even messy, like this. And then we look at the instructions, and then see we cut more tomatoes and keep cutting it,
Very
you
good
know.
cutting skills.
And then we do lots of good cutting skills. We add olive oil and
balsamic vinegar,
and
oregano, and you mix it all up.
There we go. And we're so excited.
And it was a really tasty.
And then after that, we either add some
that's the oregano,
and then we mix it up. Now mix this up. It's so hot. It's just been in the oven. Then we add some vegetable stock in. We put the sausages in, and then we pop it in the oven. Line it up well. And then after that, we're gonna pop it in the oven. Grate the cheese when it's in the oven. Then after that, it's so creamy. And then when we take it out, and there we go. We've done our thing. We're so excited. Let's go on the table and eat it. It's gonna be so yummy. This is the best time ever.
We just have to add some
And
cheese
this
on top.
stuffed me up now. I've done lots of good.